Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the perimeter of a composite figure, and then we're going to use that same composite figure and find the area. So let's go back to the perimeter of this composite figure, which would be, let's say, the perimeter of a small city. All right, and so what we're going to do, we're just going to find the distance around that small city, and all we have to do is just add up all the sides right here, this map of this small city. And so let's say we could do this right here. So we have 3 kilometers here, 3 kilometers there, 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers, and then another 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and then 12 kilometers as the longest side. And all we're going to do is just add those up. And so when we add 12 to 10 to 5 to 3 to 4 to 4 to 3 to 3, we will end up getting a city that is 44 kilometers in its distance. Okay, so how about the area of that city? And so let's take a look at it this way, in which we have the area of this small city. And so all we're going to do is just going to cut it into nice sized pieces right here that we see right here. Nice sized rectangles, because rectangles add themselves pretty well to finding the area of, let's say, a given composite figure, and in this case, the city. And so all we're going to do right here, we're just going to say 12 kilometers times 3 kilometers. Well, that will give us 36 kilometers, and 4 kilometers times 9 kilometers. And you probably ask, well, how do I get 9 kilometers from here to here? Because see, this 4 kilometers plus this 5 kilometers, well, that's the same as this line right here. So we know that 4 times 9 will give us 36 kilometers right there. 36 kilometers squared, rather, we're dealing with squared kilometers because now we're dealing with area. And so we're going to do the same thing right here. Now we have 3 times 15. I should say I jumped the gun, didn't I? I should say 3 times 5 would give us 15 kilometers squared. All right. And so all we're going to do is just add up these 3 sections. And so now we have 36 kilometers squared plus 36 kilometers squared plus 15 kilometers squared. And when we combine all 3 of those and we add all 3 of these together, we get 87 squared kilometers, y'all. Okay, yeah, I've been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to look at these 2 big examples to gain a deeper understanding of these 2 concepts, or replay this video as many times you like. All right, but in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.